Let's go.
And Spirit Christian, and get the work underway. Straight away, the Omaha Lightning serve right out. Pass to the W screen is now correct. Jump serve at the Patriots. Force cuts the pass off. Jump set middle. A little later, they played Spirit Christian at Tustin, California. And then here in the last match of the day, facing the Omaha Lightning. Lightning stay in system, not a cover.
Out.
Cross-court attack is down. The Georgetown looking to come out of the pool. That's the top seed. That would put them as the number 3 overall seed.
Ooh.
In the Class 6A bracket. And tomorrow they would start in the gold semifinals. Beautiful swing by the Lightning. Patriots, the home team on the scoreboard. It's Boyce, Kamar, down the field, left to right, and serve receive, low flat, full serve. Beautiful pass, right to a setup.
Yeah.
We're the home team on the scoreboard. They do need 4-3. But the guests have lead, so we'll see what happens. There's the There's a spinning serve right to the middle back. Oh, a beautiful set on play between Wilkes and Force.
Come on, come on, come on.
They start to run the slide, but Wilkes pushes it out left to Canal. That's handled, and we got a long line and going. Patriots still in command. Here's the slide again. Force working right to left, not a beautiful swing. Lightning stays in system. And finally makes the away on the right side of Patrick. Let's see if the score is accurate. Patriots lead.
It was all, yeah, I know.
Doesn't really matter to me.
There we go.
Maybe 6-3 that way. Homer guess, Patriots have the lead. Going for your
Oh!
She was aggressive just in front of the 10-foot line. Patriots lead by 4. Going for your now to the middle back. Pass is up, tight to the net. Playable from the back row. The Romero down by it. Well, the Patriots defense is going to go on this serve. Serve is down the left sideline. Not back to the play by Canal. Wilkes back to Canal. Hard swing from the middle. Rattles around. Down ball back to the Patriots. McCaslin tries to dig it. Another point goes for
Hey, let's go. One pass.
second serve out. High rainbow serve. Chris Moore's pass straight to Wilkes. She doesn't even move. Force down it to the service line. Patriots lead 8-5. First service present. Hard flat serve. Cross ball out the right line. Second serve for the senior. Nothing. That's there. Another ace. Almost the same split. But you don't want it to get away from you. And right away, big shot. April Government. Left side set out of the top line in the corner. That's exactly what the Lightning were looking for.
Good shot.
Step to the service line. It'll be Chris Moore, Donofrio, and Force left to right in serve receive. Baker slides to her right behind the screen. Donofrio leads it. Force makes the pass. Pushed over by Wilkes. Now for Baker. That service line trying to use her good middles to screen out the defender. Donofrio plays it long. Second time, Wilkes tries to. Serve the Patriots. straight to Wilkes. This time she goes right side.
Yeah.
5, Trinity 2. Now it's up to 3. Cadell will have to serve. Standing float service.
Ah.
Just a little too much air on the lines, and they've been able to get back into the match.
Out.
Too soon. They repay the service out. Castling goes to the same spot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cases in a row before forcing the Lightning to take a timeout. The timeout didn't do much. In a row. She would have the hot hand in Vegas, no doubt. This time she goes after another back. Pass is up. And the left side swing is in.
Let's go.
Patriots set up in service and 17-10 first set. Top spin serve at Cadell. Jump serve this time to Patriots right. Off the back. All right, Patriots shift up the serve receive line. It'll be Chris Moore force and Donofrio this time. Jump serve. Wilkes to the front row, full serve, rattles around, set off the Patriots free. Donofrio's there. Wilkes steps underneath, and here's Chris Moore. Patriots lead by 7. This time, Wilkes goes out to the middle, back, overpass, and a
Yeah.
the senior middle blocker.
Where's the score?
Wilkes quickly serves at the middle back again. Down ball from the middle. He's the middle back to that. They set force on the right side. He has to go outside.
Score.
Pulls it off the block and gets the kill. Patriot parents giving no mercy to the scoreboard.
Get down.
Oh, heck of a shot. All right, side out to the Lightning. Patriots by 8. Passes high, right side. Patriots lead by a touchdown.
Let's go! Let's break this boy! Come on!
Baker's serve is
Golly.
Come on, Ashland. Patriots send it over free, back to base. Lightning in system, good dump off the wall. Now Hansen sees it. They're going to get to reset. Down ball from the middle, not much for that. Wilkes handles it easily. Patriots out of system. 21-15 our score. First serve from Baker. Moves over to your right or left. Serve is to middle. Cut off by Donovan. Tight to the net. Over the net. Good break and they'll take it. Here's Warren Chrismore. Quick serve. Pass in front of the middle back. Pass is high. And Maddie Hansen. Jump serve at Chrismore. Perfect pass. Wilkes underneath. Sets with hands to Cadell on the left side. Tugged by the middle back. And Slater. Patriots lead 10-5. 22-17 the score. At the service line. She needs 2. There's a power shot. Pass too tight to the net. Great serve there back to the net. And look for Donofrio to go back at Barton on set. Indeed. Into the seam, out by the middle back. Bump set to the back row. That's the libero. Chrismore digs. Here's Cadell. Left side swing. Patriots are going to get it free. Chrismore Wilkes. And a roll shot by Cadell, not placed where anyone wanted.
Yeah, stay, push.
Patriots until they see it. Pass is tight to the neck. Wilkes sends it. Hands down, longest rally of the match. Beautiful defense by Allie Ford.
Yeah.
Wilkes to get us underway. The Patriots have a quick third, and here we go. Wilkes goes right at the middle back. They on the right side. First set, 25-18. Behind the screen.
Come on, girls, go back, go back.
Now they're going to move on the second set. This is a best of 3 now. Two-step jump serve. Cut off by Cadell. Overpass. Double tap not going to work. Patty Hansen with nice defense. Force hits cross court from the left side. The Patriots go to base. Here comes free. Cadell. Wilkes. Shoots it. And a hard push kill doesn't fall, surprisingly, by Kismore. She's going to get another swing.
There you go.
This time she goes.
Here we go.
Patriots out, and here's Kismore to serve. Beautiful flow.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Kismore tries to do it again.
Let's go, one pass. Come on.
Chris Moore, left to right, and serve a seat. Serve coming from the right side of your screen under the scoreboard. Outside attack by the Patriots. Won't go down. Back row swing for the long one. Nice dig by Wilkes. Cadell now steps in underneath. We've got a long rally brewing. Back row attack by Baltimore in the left. Patriots the benefactors are up 4-2. Donofrio serves down to the left back. Beautiful pass, left side set. Early approach by the hair. Kismore is good, is into it. The big cornerstone 2 minutes ago. Those balls are just super Force a little easier serve at the middle back. That's Baltimore again.
Talk.
Swing. Down ball really it was. Patriots stand system. Swing by Cadell is overpassed. Second attack won't fall.
Yeah.
Passed and fly by Forrest. The pass is over back to the Patriots in one. They're in system. Here's Cadell. Through the blockers.
There we go. Let's go. That's brand new.
They tried it.
Yeah.
Murray comes on to serve from the left side of your screen. To her right, your left. There's more perfect pass. Set with hands by Wilkes to the middle headed Mike. They're not going to fall. Lightning try a middle attack of their own, but that girl is way undersized to play against Mason.
Good rip.
It's now in system. Shoot set, and there's Cadell.
Yeah. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Oh, Lightning's going to rescue it. Reverse free ball by Baltimore. Comes to the Patriots. Not done yet. Right side slide by Mike. Won't fall. Longest rally of the match. Left side attack. Last court. Cadell sees it. Shoots under it. Second touch by Mike. Kismore pushes forward. Patriots back to base. Left side again.
Out.
Side swing.
Oh, good hands. Good hands.
Held by Kismore. Sent out of the back row. Wilkes gets a swing on it. Not the foul. Jensen reloads.
Oh.
Right between the Patriots from New Century, Kansas. This is Lydia Swartz. Swartz walks over behind the screen. Goes to the middle. Force usually plays it perfectly. Wilkes right side set to Mike. Back to the Patriots. Donald covers. Wilkes sets left side this time to Chrismore. Dug out of the middle back by Schwartz. Jensen with a swing off the ball. Touch him. Play more volleyball.
Good job. Stay with it.
Don't count him too quick. Looked like she had the kill on the second touch.
Yeah.
She will serve for Gracie Martin on the sixth position. She will get another one this match. A little bit of a smile, but I know that pretty quick. Johnson there by the line. Johnson has the serve, passes over. Beautiful play by Wilkes to send it over at two. Lightning now trying to dump. Donafield says it's not going to work.
Yeah.
Oh, just missed by Chrismore. Just missed by Chrismore. Jump serve again by Jensen. His main play. Donafield's pass straight to Wilkes. Bump set left side. Chrismore this time. Well, found the kill working. Ball was headed out of bounds and Forrest played it. Patriots send it over. Dump attack not going to work. Chrismore tries to send it over. Tries again.
Come on, play the ball.
Long rally now. Allows the Lightning to set it up in the middle.
Talk.
By Jensen. Was held out. It's like the Patriots have picked up some points. Patriots side out here on Webster serve at the top of the order. At the LeBron, that's one goal. The attack from the right side, blocked by Hanson. And Chrismore with a soft tip, not going to fall. Lightning with a back row swing. Held by Donafield. Wilkes down set right side. Forrest comes outside in. Cross court, but no. Another long rally. Back row swing by the Lightning. That's Jensen. It's off the top of the net. Easily played.
Let's go.
Beautiful serve by Wilkes. Pass tight to the net. And an aggressive front right there by the center. Reckon Jensen with the kill for the Lightning. Beautiful front row tackle. Let the Wilkes do that to our opponents. But I'm not so sure what to get on that. Most successful right there. Patriots shift their receive now. Now Donafield and Chrismore. Last time they did this, Jensen.
What's that?
This time she serves out of bounds.
13-11.
Just rotate. That's right. Another position for Chrismore to serve. Left the screen. Float serve is a beauty. Right side attack by Jensen. Blocked by Pass flat serve by Chrismore. Passes high. Jensen runs. Patriots have never trailed in this set. Another beautiful float serve. High set to the middle block.
Yeah.
If nothing else, we'll try to cut the play and go around the Instagram page for you. I want a fun play. Looks like we're getting a little argument now. The Lightning's down. Patriots lead 17-11. Chrismore quickly serves it to make sure. High set left side. Down ball. Chrismore's under it. Wilkes moves to the center of the floor. Cadell now cross court. Down by Baltimore.
Let's go.
And Lauren Chrismore to serve out of the timeout. Pass, back serve at the right back. It's overpass. Cadell can't put it down to happy birthday. Sent over in two by the mistake. They no longer believe that they can come back and win. It's just a formality at this point. High pass, tight to the net. Gonna send over the Patriots lead. Great net play by Maddie Hansen.
Yeah.
Nothing going wrong now for the Patriots. They've opened up a 9-point lead. Float serve to the middle back. Right out of the back row. Cross court swing. Down the Frio. Wilkes sets the force and hits cross court with power. Dug into the rafters. Lightning keep it alive. Free ball back. Cadell. Wilkes. Cadell wants the cross court.
Yeah!
Left side swing this time by Lightning. That means the Patriots in
Put it
system.
down.
Forrest tools it off the block. Overpass by Buttermore. Wilkes now push that left side.
Oh! Right.
She called him in the net, but it was shooting.
Let's go.
Forrest heads to the bench, and Schaffner now into the game. Perfect pass by Donofrio. Buttermore to serve from the right side. Here's more, has the pass. Wilkes sets behind it. Here's Schaffner off the top of the net. Yano's around.
Yeah.
Long serve, goes out of bounds. The match and remains perfect on the day. 2-0 so far, looking to make it 3 against the Omaha Lightning. Serve is the Patriots right there. Beautiful pass by Donofrio. And a tip throw. She goes to the bench for a substitution, and one doesn't come. So she says, all right, I'll jump serve. She hits it hard at the right back. Overpass. For match point. There's the signal from Schaffner.
Yeah!
He rolls up
Shot.
the net. Sent back by the Lightning in 2. Patriots in system.
Yeah!